As you can see, the mandir is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm very happy to be here. It truly feels like a sense of belonging. I have come to visit the site. It is a new year and I'm so beyond excited. I mean, here it is, Jhulelal Teerath Dham, open to the public, finally. I haven't eaten anything since morning. I've been fasting. I don't usually fast. This is my first time I think I'm fasting on Cheti Chand. And yeah, I just want to, seek some blessings and then have my lunch. It's been a really hectic morning. I told you guys I was helping them, the Jhulelal Teerath Dham people. So I had to go pick up some guests from the airport, bring them here. And because of all this rush, I forgot my camera in my room. I'm filming on my iPhone 6. And you got to do what you got to do. Just because I didn't get my camera doesn't mean I can't film. Do you see that? Do you see that? See, the mandir is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm very happy to be here, and everybody has gone for lunch now. And yeah, there's pin drop silence. There's a lot of wind, and there are no fans, no air conditioning, but it still is so cool and calm. I just video called with my parents and they were asking how hot is it, and I'm like, it's not hot, it's very windy, very breezy. I like it. It's all made of natural materials, as you saw yesterday when I spoke to the architect. And yeah, it truly feels like a sense of belonging. I feel like there should be some cafes here and some chilling places, and I would just love to come in, stay here for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, chill, do some writing, probably brainstorm about some Sindhi movies, making of Sindhi movies. This is like a really nice getaway place, just for a little bit, few days. It truly feels beautiful. You need to be here to believe what I'm saying and to experience what I'm saying. we have an exciting day planned ahead. There's Behrano, which is a cultural ritual. There's dancing and singing. That's part of Behrano. All right. I am going to go head for lunch because I haven't eaten. And it's a bummer that I forgot my camera. But thank God I have an iPhone 6, which is fairly decent. So yeah, what you're seeing is an iPhone 6. See you later, guys.
जय झूलेलाल
झूलेलाल
जय झूलेलाल जय झूलेलाल
आयो लाल सभई चओ
हाणे
असांजे विच में
तहकी मखियन सारा जिंद जान तह तवारा तहकी मखियन सारा जिंद जान तह तवारा जय मेरे लिया मोखे जय मेरे लिया मोखे पीघे में मावलोली सिंधी अबाणी बोली मिठरी अबाणी बोली पंहिंजे वतन जी खातिर सब कुछ
हाणे रावण तुझे हेठ जो नक जाए जो आलम तुझे आसरे
ओ कायम हर जुग में लाल कायम तुझा कमा उतारी ओढ़ाखो लाल गामी लाहे जगम हाणे रख जे लाज शर्म ओचो ठकी साण गुजार जाए अजब तू अजियाब तू अजब तेरी वडियाई लख आवन लख जावन लख खड़े हैं सवाली निपुत्रा को पुत्र दिखावंद निर्धन को धन दिखावंद ख्वारा मंगाए मंगल पढ़ाए पढ़लन जा पिंगड़ा लोड जिनके दिना थई तिनके बख्श ऐं जिनके न दिना थई तिनके दई सिकलाए छूट तू लालन जो लाल रतो रहीम रंग में क्रोरे कय की तेरा नालायक निहाल हाणी जाडी करीम ख्याल सेब रंगी तू रंग में हे मुंहिंजा लाल साईं न्याणियुनि जा कारज करी जणे ते कजी जय करी गौ ब्रह्मा जी रक्षा करी चारई बना सावा करी घोट कुंवार जा कल्याण करी देती लेती जे मर्ज के मिटाई सभनी में सिक वधाई पहचातन में प्रेम वधाई सब जी रहजी अचे सिक सां रहजी अचे आयो लाल सभई चओ लाल जी तारी आयो लाल सभई चओ झूलेलाल
असांजे दादा जन खे
सॾु कराए हिकिड़ो हिस्टोरिकल ऐतिहासिक कारनामो ॾेखारियो आहे मतां सम्झो ई नंढड़ो में 72 एकड़ मोदी साहिब हिन भेण खे ज़मीन ॾिनी ऐं चयईं त तुंहिंजो सुपिनो अॼु खां मुंहिंजो सुपिनो आहे ऐं तव्हां सिंधी जाति ॾाढी सबर आहे कंहिं बि गवर्नमेंट ते डिपेंड न कंदी आहे पंहिंजे बाज़ुनि सां तव्हां पाण खे वसायो आहे हाणे आर्थिक तौर वसायो अथव स्पिरिचुअल तौर बि तव्हांखे वसाइणो आहे ही तीर्थधाम ठाहींदा त हिन इलाइक़े में ॾाढी वसण थी वेंदी ॾाढी डेवलपमेंट थी वेंदी सिंधियुनि जी महिनत सां तमामु कच्छ डेवलप थी विया हाणे वरी सिंधियुनि जी महिनत सां ही इलाइक़ो बि 10 सालनि जे अंदरि वरी अर्श ते पहुची वेंदो माण्हू ई शहर ॾिसण ईंदा ऐं असां चाहियूं था अॼु असांखे मौक़ो मिलियो आहे सिंधियुनि खे हिकु धागे में ॿधूं पंहिंजा ॿारनि खे जणिया पाइणु मङणो पढ़णो एतिरे क़दुरु अस्थियूं परवान करणु हिन नारायण सरोवर में अॻे सिंधी अस्थियूं परवान करणु ईंदा हुआ द्वारका धाम जहिड़ो शिरडीअ जहिड़ो बालाजी तिरुपतीअ जहिड़ो पिलग्रिमेज सेक्टर करे ॾेखारियो आहे सिंधी करे सघनि था
as of now, and I am mind blown by the place. Like, it is so windy and all the lights are up and it's looking beautiful. I've got some more guests. I'm showing them around. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. This is how I celebrated my Cheti Chand. I'm super happy with the way this year's Cheti Chand was. This is cheers to new beginnings of different kinds, including this channel. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and share it with your friends and family. Of course, subscribe to the channel Sindhi Film Festival. And until I see you in the next video, Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Happy New Year. In Sindhi also I'll say Cheti Chand jun lakha lakha karoda karoda tawake vadhayon. Bye.